What's up, guys? I'm back, man. I got the stuff wired up. I got the Hornet wired up like I wanted to. Got the Hornet wired up. I gotta get a few more things. I gotta go down there and get that. I gotta go down to my hood and my old hood and get the steering column out the other car. Get the steering column out of it. I already got the dash out and everything. And I gotta put the headers on. Once I put the headers on, I gotta wire the fuel tank up still. Once I do that, run my wires, and then I'm gonna go. Then it'll be ready to crank. Wire it up. I gotta put a pipe on back right here, and then the wire harness. This wire harness here, it don't have a oil pressure. Where I can put the oil pressure plug on it, cause I don't see it nowhere. Don't have an oil pressure plug. I think it had like a different type of oil pressure, like the one with the. I think the one that showed the oil gauges, the old gauges. If I ain't mistaken, but this Walmart don't have one. What else? Okay, I still gotta remove this line right there. Remove it out the way. Put the headers on. Put the power steering pump on. I gotta close these off here. And shoot. And that there, I gotta find a line for it. I know the car that this motor come out of, it had a oil catch can on it. So that's why we hooked the oil catch can up to this valve here and over there. But this car don't have one. So we done got everything on, man. Just gotta wire it up, wire the fuel tank up, put a little more accessories on, wire it up, wire the fuel tank up, put the headers on, power steering pump, and she be ready to crank up. She will be ready to crank. Well, I don't know what it gonna be, a he or a she, so it gonna be ready to crank up. I think I gotta get some. He gonna need some transmission fluid too, because ain't none. Yeah. And I gotta put I gotta put a dipstick in. That's what I gotta do. I gotta put a dipstick in. Not to forget about it, but I gotta put the headers on first before I do that. But this is it. I gotta finish touching up with some black paint. I did a little bit right there, but there's some little black paint I had left over. But other than that, guys, she'll be done. I'm gonna try to have it. I'm gonna try to crank it up next weekend when I get in. Try to crank it up. I'm gonna go down there and mop it on rain. I'm gonna go to the hood and get that steering column out the other car. So I had it already up here. And yeah. I gotta get rid of that old gas. I don't. That song full of gas and water. That's it. That mug was so heavy. That sucker so heavy. Them the headers that gonna be on it. They're going on the car. Still got them in there in the box. Them the headers and everything. Them the headers and everything. I came in my shed, my little shed, man, cause I might turn it into my little. I think I might turn it into my little chill spot. Turn it into my chill spot. Oh yeah. This is my box. I'm about to take everything off of here. Then put it back on my blue car. You can tell the hood, trunk, everything go on this car here. I just swapped it out, man. I just can't. I put too much money in this car right here, man. I put too much money. It don't look like it, but I did. So I can't let my car go down like that. Y'all see it now, huh? So when just wait till I stop that, just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how it gonna turn out. Just stay tuned. I get a windshield. Once I get it back running, I'm gonna get a windshield put in it. Just stay tuned. These old tires here come out that white car. The tires on the white car belongs on this car. For the ones that they're new to the channel, I'm gonna show you what I got in here. I'm gonna show you what I got in here. For the one that's new to the channel. Got a 6.0 in here too. 6.0. A 4L80, 4L80 trans. Yep. Got that fuel relay. I mean, fuel pressure regulator. I was talking about a relay with one of my partners. It made me say that. But yeah, guys. That's where we at with this car here. I'm gonna shut it down for the day. And get back at it next weekend. And hopefully I'll be able to crank it up. That's my plan, cranking it up. Yep. So guys, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all go ahead and smash that like button and the subscribe button, man. And let's run these viewers and subscribers up. And share. Put me out there in the algorithm. Till next time, stay tuned.